Golden hour. Hey. Oh, it does hurt my. Hey guys, welcome back. Excuse my voice. So Critica Caressss is back and better than ever. I know it's been like 9 months, but you know, a lot of changes have happened since those 9 months. I'm in college now, but hook 'em. But I'm back in Dallas right now for spring break, and I think I only do this stuff when I'm extremely bored, because last time I started my YouTube channel, I was extremely bored. Let me just put, no, never mind. I was extremely bored because IB testing was over, and now I'm extremely bored because UT decided to have spring break when all my friends are back in school. So, plus my brother. So I have nothing to do better at home. So today is not a skincare video, but I was thinking about cooking today, and if you know me, I suck at cooking. The one encounter I had with like baking that one time with Xavier and Hayram kind of died. Not died, whoa. We used sugar powder instead of flour. So today I am making an Indian sweet called Gujia, and I'll insert a picture somewhere. But Gujiyas are a Indian dumpling that are usually made on Holi. I mean, you can have it anytime, but today is Holi, and my mom is working today, and my dad is at work too, and my brother's at school. So I was at home, and I was like, what if I make the Gujiyas today? I've never made it in my life, and they're a hard sweet to make. So today I will be YouTubing some Indian auntie or lady, and I'll keep you updated on that. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so let's see. I've YouTubed a couple of videos. This one looks pretty okay because it was the first one that popped up, but it's in Hindi, so let's just play a little bit. Let's see this. If it loads. Oh, Whataburger ad. Okay. You know when you go to Whataburger, the Hub Chub. Yes. Okay, never mind. Ignore my voice. Okay, her name is Nisha Maduke. Oh. This is in Hindi. Well, that's okay, because I know how to understand it, but this looks like very hard Hindi. But I won't bore you with the stupid video, but I'll start listening to her, and yeah. Okay, so this lady's still talking, and it's all in Hindi, so you probably won't understand it. But I've made the stuffing now. That looks pretty much how she showed it in the video. So yeah, there are the nuts in there, the raisins, and now I've kept the dough in here. I haven't kneaded it yet, so that's gonna be a challenge, but you know, it's okay. We'll try. Okay, so I off the lady talking because I think I got the gist of it. I mean, I already made the stuffing, so sorry. All I have to do is knead this dough, and she said not to put too much of water in it. She said to add some butter to it as well. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but yeah, I don't know. I hate kneading dough anyways. Like, if my mom ever asks me to make rotis, like, I don't do that stuff because I hate getting my fingers sticky, but I'm just gonna do it for her because it's a one-time thing. So let's stay tuned to do this. So I finished making the inside stuffing. It turned out how the YouTube video showed it. And then here is my dough. I know it doesn't look that great right now, but it needs to be left alone, and it needs to rise a little bit before I can do anything. So I decided to put my face mask on. If you were wondering, this is made out of honey, yogurt, lemon, baking powder, no, baking soda, my bad. Baking soda and lemon juice. So yeah, try it out if you want to, but yeah. And it's on, and it's getting hard, so I should probably stop talking, but I'll be back in like 20 or 30 minutes with this wash off. Hopefully, not hopefully, definitely showered, and I'll be back and finish making this stuff right here. Let's see, hopefully it turns out good. So I came back, checked on the dough, didn't really rise. It looked the same to me. So I changed it into balls and I just started rolling it so that I can put this stuffing in here and then I can fry it, which I haven't got the frying pan out. But Alright, so now I'm done with all the cooking. I fried all 3 of them. The first one had opened. I tasted it and then I was like, shoot, that is raw. So I refried it, so it's still like open, but whatever. Yeah, the stuffing kind of fell into the pan. And then here are the other 2. So hopefully those turned out good. But yeah, it took me like 2 hours to make 3 of these. I don't know how my mom makes like 30 or whatever. That's a lot of work. So I don't think I'm ever going to try this again, but I hope she's happy. She's probably going to be happy when she sees it. I don't know what she's going to say when she tastes them. But yeah, it was a good experience and I'm glad I did it. I made use of my time. This is probably the most productive I've ever been this break. So yeah, thanks for watching though if you did. And yeah. Gonna try it now. How was it? I don't even know if it was suji or not. I don't even know if I put the right stuff in. How does it taste? What?
Not bad, but better kachi.
Oh, it's kachi. Meaning? Oh, it's raw. Hello, I am back and currently I am getting ready because I have an event to go to for Holi, but I hope you enjoyed my mom's reaction. It was kind of funny. She really tried being nice, but I mean, it was raw, so I need to cook it more next time. But I guess I wasn't that bad of a cook because I got everything else right. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And it's honestly great being back, so hopefully I can continue this if I'm not too busy. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!